On the WIX editor, you want to choose which of the element that you want to group. For example, I want to group this text tutorial with Sena, and then the button start now, and then also on how to tutor text. Keep in mind that you cannot group the element outside their column or outside their strip. So for example, I cannot group the text in this column with this column, or the text in this strip right here with this strip. And then the group element, the first way, you can just click on the element that you want to group. For example, this text right here, until this blue rectangle appear. And then on your keyboard, you can just click and hold the shift button, and then choose another elements that you want to be grouped at. For example, this button, and there's this how to tutor text. And then after that, you can just click on group element right here. Or on your keyboard again, you can just click on Ctrl and G or Command and G on your Mac. And also to choose the element, you can also do a click, hold, and block all the element that you need to group. For example, like this, and just click on group element. From here, you can just move around multiple elements at once. And then to do it on the mobile version, unfortunately, you cannot do that right away on mobile editor, but you can actually group element on the desktop editor version, and the group element will eventually be saved automatically in mobile editor. For example, on the mobile version, I want to group this text new collection alert, and then the discover unique handmade camera and accessories. As you can see, both of them is not grouped yet, so you can just go back to your desktop version of the editor. And right here on the desktop version, you can just group it, the new collection alert, and then the discover unique, and then click on group elements right here. As you can see, the container box was named group. And then if I go to the mobile version, as you can see, when I click on the new collection alert, it was automatically grouped with discover unique. And there you go, you can now quote-unquote group element on mobile editor at WIX. I know it can be difficult and time-consuming, but for now, this is the only way to do it. And that's how to group or ungroup elements on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.